Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the Cobra effect. The Cobra effect is a term in the economics. It refers to a situation when an attempted solution to the problem makes the problem worse. On our day-to-day life, in our business, in our personal life, wherever we face lot of issues and we try to attempt a solution with some intention, some good intention. But in order to do that, if we do not think the long-term effect of that, we may land up getting the problem more worst, and this is called as Cobra effect. So this name was coined based on an incident in the old colonial India. By some reasons, there were too many venomous cobra snakes in Delhi, and people were dying due to the snake bites, and it became really scary for almost everyone to step out of their houses. So the government in those days had to get into some action to stop this menace, and it offered a silver coin to anyone who brings the dead cobra to their office. And the result was immediately seen. The large number of snakes were killed and people start getting the reward. And eventually, however, it led to the serious unwanted consequences, because after a short term dip into the cobra population, it started growing up. And this was because few people began a business to breed the cobras for the income. What they did is they started the cobra farm and they started breeding the cobras so they can get more cobras and they can kill them, go to the government and take more silver coin. And when this news reached to the government, the reward program was scrapped. So causing the cobra breeders to set up all this worthless cobra free. So what does that mean? Whenever the government scrapped this scheme, now the cobra farms was having too many cobras. What should they do with these cobras? They were useless. So they just set it free. And as a result, the cobra population further increased. And the solution of a problem made the situation even more worst. And that is what is called Cobra effect, that any unintended consequences of a well-intentioned idea led to making the problem worse. So in this case, what has happened? There was an issue with the cobra. Intention was good when the solution was there, but the consequence was not intended. The consequence was more worse situation than the before, and that's why it is called Cobra effect. So basically, the bottom line of Cobra effect is you are only making it worst. So when we look at any issues, we take to the solution and our solution only makes the problem worse. That is what is called Cobra effect. There are more real life examples. Like in 1902 in Vietnam, basically in Hanoi, there was too many rats. And it was a French colony. And again the government said that okay, you bring the rat tail and get rewarded. So people started getting the rat tail and they got rewarded. But over a period of time, they found the rats in Vietnam are without tails. So basically, the rat population did not go down, but people catch the rats, got their tails, go to the government office and get rewarded. Very recently in 2005, the UN Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, in order to reduce the greenhouse emissions, they offered the incentive schemes for the carbon credit of SCF23 chemical or SCF23 gas. This is basically a byproduct of common coolant chemical, and the firm started getting incentive for this, destroying this particular gas. So what the firm started, they started making more coolant and destroying more. So more the production, more will be the destroy and get benefited. So this scheme also got scrapped in 2013. So there are lot of real life examples of the Cobra effects. So this Cobra effect is basically a well-intended measure can offer backfire and have the opposite effect to the intended solution. So the intention is to reduce the cobra population. Action, get a bounty, get a silver coin for the dead cobras, but the effect, people start farming the cobras. So why this topic is important from the economic point of view? Whenever we have an issue and we go for a solution, we should not look at the short term. We have to see the long-term consequences. We have to involve more people and take their opinion what would happen if we take these particular measures, because it should not backfire in the long term. Short term, we'll definitely get the results. If you like my presentations, please do like to my pages. Thank you.